Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use After Effects templates. Templates are fantastic tools that significantly speed up your video production. They come packed with pre-designed animations, effects, and compositions, saving you countless hours of design work. You can easily customize various elements, including text, colors, and media, to perfectly match your project's needs. This allows you to achieve professional results with much less effort. Once you have your template file, typically a EAP project, the first step is to import it into After Effects. Simply open the application, then go to File and select Open Project. Browse to where you saved your downloaded template and open it. It's crucial to ensure all associated assets, like footage or fonts, are in the correct project folder to avoid missing file warnings. Now for the fun part, customization. Look for the main composition, which is often clearly labeled as Edit Me or Final Render within the project panel. Inside, you'll find placeholder layers for text, images, or videos. Double-click on text layers to easily change the content and adjust fonts. For media placeholders, simply drag and drop your own footage or images to replace the existing ones, making the template uniquely yours. After customizing your template, it's time to render your final video. First, preview your animation thoroughly to confirm all elements are perfect. Then, add your main composition to the render queue. Here, you can select your preferred output format, such as H.264 for web use, and adjust other settings like resolution and quality. Finally, click the render button to export your polished, professional video project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.